In this video, I am going to explain you the concept of microcomputer, microprocessor and microcontroller. So the microcomputer is nothing but micro, that means a small computer, with including a microprocessor, that is our central processing unit, which also includes the memory and input-output devices. The term microprocessor consists of one single silicon chip which includes ALU, register, circuits and control circuits. But in case of microcontroller, which also consists of silicon chip which includes microprocessor, memory and input-output devices in single package. Based on the given diagram, we will all clear what do you mean by processor and what do you mean by microcontroller. So in case of microprocessor, there is one single chip and the CPU is attached into the single chip. That is, CPU is integrated on one single silicon chip. And all these devices like input devices, RAM, ROM, serial interface devices, output devices, and the timer, these are all externally connected to the CPU. But in case of microcontroller, there is one single silicon chip is there and all the devices like EEPROM, timer, CPU, RAM, ROM, input-output devices and serial interface are integrated with only one single chip. That is the basic difference between the processor and controller. So in case of microcontroller, we have single chip and all the devices are integrated on one single chip. And in case of processor, there is one single silicon chip and our CPU is integrated on our silicon chip and all the parts like memory, input output ports are externally connected.